Hello everyone, my name is Kong Calvin and I study at Secondary 3 in Cambridge International School. Today I am going to present to you the question which states, how many ordered pairs of integers x, y satisfy the equation x to the power of 2026 plus y squared equals to 2y? So, we first start off by rewriting this equation entirely. X powered to 2026 plus y squared equals to 2y. So to eliminate 2y on the right hand side, we subtract both sides by 2y. We get x powered to 2026 plus y squared minus 2y equals to 0. Then to obtain the formula, we add 1 to both sides. We get x powered 2026 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals to 1. So we also know that when there is a formula like this, for example, y squared minus 2y plus 1, it can be written into another format. X powered 2026 plus y minus 1 squared equals to 1. In this situation, they say that there are ordered pairs of integers x, y, which means x and y are both integers, which makes x powered to 2026 and y minus 1 squared both integers. So the only non-negative integer that can be added together and be equal to 1 is 1 and 0. So we can either put x as 1 or this entire equation as 0, which we can form two cases. The first case being x powered to 2026 equals to 1 and y minus 1 squared equals to 0. In this situation, x can either be both 1 or negative 1, because when negative 1 is powered to an even number, it gets 1. So x equals to 1 or x equals to negative 1. And in this situation, there can only be one number that makes this equals to 0. Y should be 1. So y equals to 1. In the second situation, this is completely reversed. We get x powered to 2026 equals to 0 and y minus 1 squared equals to 1. So we can first start off by finding x, which is very simple. X powered by 2026 equals to 0, which is very simple. Only one number to a power of a certain number equals to 0, which is 0 itself. So x equals to 0. And now moving on to y minus 1 squared equals to 1. We rewrite it again. Y minus 1 squared equals to 1. Then we square root both sides, which makes y minus 1 equals to plus minus 1. We find y for both cases, in which the first case, y minus 1 equals to 1, to eliminate minus 1 on this side, we add 1. So y minus 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1, y equals to 2. And in the second case, y minus 1 equals to negative 1. To eliminate negative 1 on this side, we add 1 to both sides, which we get y minus 1 plus 1 equals to negative 1 plus 1. Y equals to 0. So after we have finished with our calculations, we notice that there will be 4 different types of ordered pairs. In our first case, there can be 2 different types of ordered pairs. The first ordered pair being x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. The second ordered pair, x equals to negative 1 and y equals to 1. And in the second case, we can note that there are also 2 different types of ordered pairs. In the first ordered pair, x equals to 0 and y equals to 2. And finally, in the second pair, x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So there are 4 different ordered pairs that satisfy the equation x powered 2026 plus y squared equals to 2y. Thank you everyone for watching.